If you're asking, it's the year of the monkey, monkey, monkey. So bump, bump, bump.
Dude! Dude! Dude, wake up!
What?
It's a new year!
What? Okay.
It's January 1st!
Okay.
2000 billion!
And that means?
And that means it's the year of the monkey!
What monkey?
He follows all the non-believers, you idiot! And there is an exact chance of the non-believers that there's a 1 in a million chance that he will not follow the non-leaders.
Dude,
Believers.
Get out of my room. Whatever.
Dude, come on!
Get out of my room.
Come on, man!
Michael, get out.
Come on!
Michael, get
Come on, man! Come on!
Oh my God!
Put on your shirt, hurry up, come on, let's go, let's go! Come on! Come on!
What? Oh! What the hell is this?
It's the monkey! What did I tell you? It's the monkey! See, look. All he does is stand there and stare at you. And farts!
I bet you just put this in there. It's not like it's gonna be everywhere I
No,
go.
I swear to God, last time he farted at me, I couldn't smell for 2 months!
Time to take a shower. Jeez.
Monkey.